There's a man when you need one. What's up, guys? Today I have a super exciting video. We are unboxing the Arrma Mojave desert truck. And I am so freaking excited, you guys. It is just beautiful, just gorgeous. Okay, anyway, let's get into it. But first, if I could ask you to hit that red subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And go ahead and hit that bell as well, because that just ensures that you're notified when I upload, and so you never miss any of my videos. And lastly, if you could give this video a thumbs up, that would help me greatly. And it also tells me that you guys like the videos that I'm putting out and you want more of them. This is actually a true unboxing. I have never opened the box. It is sealed shut. So first off, here is an overview of the box. Exciting, right? I know. This is a 1/7 scale, and also I picked the green color, but it also comes in red. Just a side note, I was told that the red truck, like when it's, doing its thing, the red and black kind of blend in together and you don't get that like distinct stripy look, I guess is what I'm trying to say. This car can be yours for $669.99. So let's go ahead and open the box and see it in person. Well, for me anyway. So yeah, I'm super excited if you can't tell. So this is a rare occasion that this is actually a true unboxing. I am opening it with you guys. Probably shouldn't be pointing knives at people, that's my bad. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful, you guys. I'm literally so excited. Drink every time I say that and you might survive, maybe not. Okay, I just went and got my dog because I wanted you guys to see the size comparison. I have a Yorkie and he's not really all that small for a Yorkie, but here is the size comparison between him and the truck. I still don't even know that. Here, can you stand up, buddy? It's like, I don't know, half a Yorkie left. Okay, thank you for being my model. So the Mojave is a short course truck, and it's kind of like a close cousin to the Slash. And honestly, everybody loves it. I literally have not heard like many, if any at all, negative reviews on it. So in the box, you have your standard stuff. You have the car, obviously, you have your radio, and you have like your manual and all your extra parts, extra stickers, all that kind of stuff. Real basic. It is ready to run, but also like normal, you'll need a charger and some batteries. So you can use, for example, 2 3S's or just like a 6S battery. This is 6S, obviously. These are the batteries that I use. I don't know if you guys can see it. I really like Spectrum. Definitely would not recommend this for children. Mine anyway, maybe not even my husband. I don't know. But yeah, so it can reach speeds of 60 plus miles per hour with, like the right conditions, and 6S battery and the included but optional pinion gear. You do have the option of putting the throttle at 50 or 75% until you're comfortable and ready to just go full blown to 100. So that's a nice option too for people who are just getting into 6S or, beginners, stuff like that. So let's look at the car itself. Firstly, the body is absolutely gorgeous. You guys, I'm not even going to lie. I really like it because one of my favorite animals is a zebra, and I think it kind of has like a zebra pattern. I'm still a girl, y'all. You will see that it has 2 cool dudes up front driving. Probably going to name them one of these days because, I have to name everything. And I also love the little slogan, I guess you can call it up front, don't just bash, blast. They advertise that this car is for all terrain, whether it's snow, dirt, grass, etc., all that kind of stuff. It is 4-wheel drive, and it is water resistant, but not waterproof. So keep that in mind. The shocks are designed to handle tough terrain, so wherever you go, it shouldn't be a problem. So I want to take a little break here to ask you if you could head over to Instagram and follow me over there, RC Princess 24 as well. I post, more content over there, updates on videos, a lot of memes, my car pictures, and just, random updates and stuff. And also, while you're over there, if you could go check out RC Garages He builds amazing 10 and 24 scale garages, and I mean, they're the most realistic ones that you can possibly get. Like, absolutely love his work. This video is not sponsored by him. He's just a really good friend. Now let's get back to talking about the Mojave. So let's move on to some of the internal stuff. I love that it runs on Spectrum. The radio is the Spectrum SLT3, and it also has the Spectrum Firma 150 amp smart ESC, and it's also equipped with Spectrum Firma 2050 kV brushless motor. The ESC has low voltage cutoff and thermal overload protection, which is always nice, you know, have a little cushion area there. It also has a center roll hoop that connects with the body roll cage, which just ensures body durability. So it will take a beating, but as with everything, it's not indestructible. Another cool thing they added was Nerf bars for side and body impact support. So this thing is pretty well protected, and it has independent suspension that aids in its handling. So as you can see, it has a pretty good range on it. If you do end up having to replace the body, they do make replacements for around like 130 bucks, maybe 140, somewhere around there. So they do make replacement bodies. But yeah, this thing is pretty, it looks Arrma, I guess. That's what you want to say. It has easy access sliding motor mount. It's just always easier when you don't have to completely take apart a car to get to the motor. The stock tires are the multi-terrain D-Boots Fortress tires. They have a really super cool look to them. I love how the wheels match the color of the body. The red also has matching wheels, by the way. They have a really nice grip to them. I believe Arrma Hobbies also has a gunmetal gray option if you wanted to, but I really like how they match the body. Replacement stock tires are about $50 for a 2-pack. They also put in a new Steel Gear Spectrum digital servo, which is 5% faster and 32% stronger than the previous version, and this just adds to improved steering. So I'm just gonna take the body off for you guys real quick so you can see inside it. Oh, the sides are Velcro. I didn't know that. So a really cool thing that you can do later is upgrade to a DSMR transmitter, and that will allow you to get the free Spectrum dashboard app. The nice thing about the app is it tells you in real time the ESC temperature, the motor RPM, and like the receiver voltage and all that. So I think that is enough talking on my part. Let's take this bad boy out and see if he stands up to his reputation. So as you can see, the Velcro didn't exactly keep much out. I think Arrma could have skipped the Velcro for as big of a pain in the butt as it is. But yeah, that's about the only drawback to this car, is the Velcro didn't do much. So that is going to wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, informational, had a laugh or two. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have this truck, what your thoughts are on it, or if it's on your wish list. It was on my wish list, and yeah, now I have it. I'm super excited. Oh, got a drink. As always, you can leave video requests down below, and I will try my best to, get to them. And I also try to answer all my comments. So yeah, I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.